Ever wondered how to add that delicious chorizo flavor to your cooking? Today I'll show you how to prepare a secret gem of Basque cuisine, the txitxikis, an easy marinade that we use with chicken or pork with all the flavor of chorizo, but without all the complexity of the process. So you can prepare fast dinners full of flavor in no time, and with ingredients easily sourced globally. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. Let's get started with the recipe. You will need 2 teaspoons of salt, which you will pour into a bowl to mix the marinade with the meat. 2 garlic cloves. Finely chop them before adding them to the bowl. 1 teaspoon of black pepper grounded. And the main spice, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Ideally, you would use Spanish paprika from Vera, sweet or spicy, depending on your taste. Half a teaspoon of white wine vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of water. Mix all the ingredients together until you have a paste. Time to add 1/8 cup of extra virgin olive oil to turn our paste into a marinade. We'll be using a pound of chicken breast. The recipe traditionally uses pork, but we prefer chicken for a lighter meal. Cut the meat into pieces the size I show you, approximately 1 inch. Toss them in the marinade bowl and mix until the meat is fully coated. Seal it with plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out. It needs to marinate in the fridge for 3 to 12 hours. This is the less exciting part, but vital for a delicious result. Our txitxikis are ready. Let's fry them. Use a pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Remember, our marinade already had oil, so you won't need much. Once the pan is hot, add the txitxikis. Cook them over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to separate the pieces. They're ready to eat, but let's save them for a bit while we get some side dishes ready. Eggs are a wonderful accompaniment. You just need to use very fresh ones. You can fry them in lots of oil, but a steel pan only needs a small amount. If you've made it this far, I'm sure you know how to fry an egg, but maybe you like videos on cooking techniques? Let me know in the comments. When your side dishes are ready, put the txitxikis on a plate. Put the eggs beside them. I also like to throw in some peas that have been cooked for a couple of minutes. What cannot be missing are some slices of good ciabatta-style bread. Place the slices on the plate, and it's ready. If you found these simple, quick recipes helpful, please leave a like. Break the eggs and use the yolks to coat the meat. Enjoy this quick and tasty dinner. I'll see you next week with another dish. Thanks for watching.